Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is monthly expiry and here I am with another video of our series Nifty Expiry Special Analysis. In the last video I said that 14,200 was major support, and if we break 14,200 we'll go till 13,600. But after breaking the support, Nifty made a low of 14,150 and later it bounced from there and triggered RSL. But I have posted 9 videos, and out of those 9, 8 videos were successful and the last one failed. So kindly keep us supporting and subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and stay tuned. So now let's analyze Nifty's daily chart, and as you can see we had a steep fall here. So we have resistance at 14,900 and 15,000, and Nifty today made a high of 14,890 and it closed at 14,864. And also we have a breakout from falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern on the daily chart, and the target comes around 15,600 to 15,800. But for that, Nifty should clear this swing high, and that's around 15,000. So for tomorrow, if Nifty breaks 14,900, Nifty will go till 15,000, and on 15,050 seems to be the upper end. But positionally, if Nifty breaks 15,000, we may see 15,200, 15,400, 15,600 levels coming, and 15,200 to 15,800 targets are positional. And now let's analyze Nifty's 15 minutes chart. And on 15 minutes chart, as you can see, near the resistance we have a rounding top formation, which is a bearish pattern, and also we have a support here at 14,850. Nifty closed at 14,864. This 850 is pre-settlement rate. So Nifty closed at 15 minutes support. So if Nifty breaks this low 14,840, we will see a fall coming, and Nifty may go till 14,770 and 14,740. So Nifty may go till 14,770 and 740 if Nifty sustains below 14,840. So based on 15 minutes chart, we have a rounding top near resistance, which is a bearish sign, and that was the reason why I recommended a short call in Nifty in our WhatsApp group. And if you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can comment and tell me, and I will add you in my WhatsApp group. So if Nifty breaks 14,850, Nifty may go till 14,770, 14,740. And on the top side, if Nifty breaks 14,900, Nifty will go till 15,000, 15,050. So this is on the chart. And now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. So now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. Nifty closed at 14,864, but still 14,900 call writers unwinded the positions. So they think that Nifty will go above 14,900 tomorrow. But as we saw on chart, Nifty should sustain above 14,900. Then only we'll see 15,000 levels coming. And at 15,000 call, we have 62 lakh open interest. So that will act as resistance for tomorrow's expiry. And on the downside, we have 27 lakh open interest at 14,800 put. So 14,800 will act as first support, and 14,700 put has 37 lakh 43,000 open interest. So that will act as second support for tomorrow's expiry. And also friends, I have posted a link in description of this video to open your trading or demat account with us. The brokerage is as low as 15 rupees per order. No hidden charges, no monthly maintenance charges, and many other benefits are mentioned in description. And to open your trading account, you can either click on the link in the description, or you can WhatsApp me in the given number, and I will add you in my WhatsApp group where I give trading calls to our account holders. And please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and share this video with your friends. This is Aman Agarwal signing off. Thank you.